Hi everyone, it's Sue and thank you for joining me today. I have an unboxing from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft. Now the unboxing is part creative team bits and pieces and part of my own purchases. So this, obviously they're sort of Christmassy because we're coming up towards Christmas. I'll just move the box because it really is a little bit big. Okay, so what we have is I have this Echo Park gingerbread Christmas designer dies. So I chose that because I really liked the snowflakes, and I thought that would be really useful for quite a few different things actually. I thought with the mixed media stuff I like to do and card making, I thought that would be brilliant. I also liked the look of these stamps, a gingerbread Christmas again by Echo Park, and you can see there's some nice little stamps there. We've got a cute house, Santa, and it says have yourself a merry little Christmas and season's greetings. And this one here, believe in the magic of Christmas. Oh, and cookies and milk, that's a cute one. So I think they'll be very nice to use. Right, what else have I got? Oh, I have some Nuvo drops, and I need to open them and I can't see any scissors. There we go. Okay, now these ones they're the jewel drops. I'm just looking for the colour. Strawberry Coolest. So I thought that would be nice with the Christmas colours. And I also have this one, which is gloss, simply white, which is always useful, I think. Don't think you can go wrong with a white one. And I also got this, I think it's a mousse, which I've never used before, so I'm quite curious to have a look at it. Let's see, it's Nuvo Glimmer Paste. So I've never actually used this before, so I'm not sure what it's like. And I'm going to open it because I'm actually dying to find out what it's like. Oh, and it's also very hard to get open. I think I need something to pierce the top. Just bear with me a moment. Hopefully I won't cut myself, which I have a habit of doing. Ooh, ooh, it's kind of a moussey looking stuff. So that's going to be fun to use. Can't wait to play with that actually. Okay, put that to one side. And we also have, just get rid of those, also have the papers that we got. Now this first one that you can see, I believe is a sticker sheet. So just let me grab that out. Now I haven't had a look at these. I opened the box quickly and just sorted them out into the different piles of creative team stuff and my stuff, but I didn't open these, so I might just have to come down a little bit. There we go. So we have the sticker sheet, so there's some really nice stickers on there. I really like the gingerbread stuff. I love gingerbread. Can't eat a lot of it, but I really love it, and I do like it as a Christmas thing too. Alright, so, and that's, again, it's the Echo Park paper. Let's get it the right way. This one, and they're Echo Park, all part of a gingerbread Christmas, and this one's gingerbread. And we have that side. Ooh, I like that side. Really like that side. And we have this one, Candy Toss. Oh, wow, look at that. All the candy in the Christmas colours. 4x6 journaling cards. Oh, I do like a good journaling card. Oh, look at those. Oh, this is so good if you're going to do some Christmas baking. Not that I do much anymore, but I used to make gingerbread houses. Every year I'd make a gingerbread house. One year I made a house and a sleigh. Took us months to eat the gingerbread. But it wasn't about eating the gingerbread, it was more me having fun making it, to be honest. Holiday cheer, that's a nice holly one, nice neutrally one. And we have all the Christmas sort of sayings. What fun, Christmas joy, ho ho ho, merry and bright, Merry Christmas. What else we got? Jolly, holly jolly, time of the year. So some nice ones there. And some more journaling cards. Different, oh, they're tags as well. And strips. So there's a variety there. So that's a nice one. And that one's the multi-journaling cards. Well, this one's nice. I like this one. And where's the name of this one? This is Cookies for Santa. So that's a cute one as well. And some more journaling cards, I'm thinking. And yep, 4x4 journaling cards. Oh, I like the back of that one too. And we have this one. This is poinsettia, so I can imagine what's on the other side. There we go. And Kitchen Magic. So this is obviously a cooking one as well. Yep, there we go. I'm seriously going to have to do some baking now. Oh dear. Here we go. And this one is Snowflakes. Oh, I like the next one. Look at this. I like this. This one is Houses. And look at that. That's gorgeous. I might have to actually make a gingerbread house now. Oh, I don't know where I'll get the time. We have this one, more journaling cards, and that one's more of a tag. And this one is 3x4 journaling cards and some little lollies or sweets, jubie type ones. I love jubes. Alright, so that's the papers. So that's absolutely awesome. So I'm really pleased with all of those. I'm going to have fun with those. Love Christmas stuff. Love doing Christmas things. Alright, now these are things I bought myself. Let's have a look. What have we got? Okay. Oops. Alright, I've got these trees. Now, they're actually half trees, but I thought they might be useful for making some sort of a box project like I did for the Halloween. I thought that might be that I could use as the tree. And the fact they're cut in half means you can sort of push them against a wall. So I thought they were really good. They're Tim Holtz Half Trees Woodlands. And I believe you can colour them. So I'll be giving that a try. What else we got? We got some Primary Ebony Superfine embossing powder. I needed some black. I might have to bring you up. Sorry, I forgot about that. There we go. So that's some black embossing powder. I also had to get myself some more of the, it's like a rice paper. This one's called, I'm assuming butterflies or something to do with butterflies. It's a Stamperia one, so that's going to be fun. So like that. And I got myself some stamps. This one's Witches and Wizards, which I thought was cute. I actually liked this from the last, the Halloween stuff. I thought they were really cute. And I have quite a lot of friends that are into the Harry Pottery stuff, so I thought I'd better get that and make some cards or something. And I've got some Tim Holtz ephemera pack, the Christmas one. I won't open it, but I'll just show that up there. Let's see. So there's lots of bits and pieces in there. I'm looking forward to using those. And I thought this was a nice Christmas sort of stamp, a bit different for a tree. What I was thinking with this is, because I've started doing some watercolouring, and I thought maybe I could use this as sort of the outline, and then sort of put watercolour colours inside or on it. So I'm going to give that a try. Looking forward to trying that. And I noticed they've stamped in different colours of green. I'm not sure. Can you see that on the front? Or that's probably better on. Yeah, so that's interesting. Not sure how they've done that, but I might have to find out. It does say for tips and techniques, visit the website. So it's penny black. So I might be looking into that. I do like to learn new things. Alright, so that's my purchases. And the last thing was, oh actually there's two last things. This one here is just a gift, a thank you gift from Aunty Vera. So thank you, Vera. Love getting freebie gifts. Actually it is. It's like a snowy Christmas, which I'm sure I'll be able to use somewhere. I love that. I like the blue actually. I don't often use blue in Christmas, so that's good. And my last thing is another pen. Now the pens, where are they? They're not far away, I know that. Ah, here we go. This is my pen collection from Aunty Vera's. I think I might have all the colours now. And I've got 2 red. So, pretty impressed with that. There we go. Nice. I can't bring myself to use them though. But I will. Eventually I will. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me.